Welcome to this explainer. Today, we're doing something a bit different. We're taking a super engaging, totally hands-on approach to a topic that honestly usually feels pretty abstract and entirely digital. We're looking straight at the source materials from the Cipher Wheel Cryptography Manual and its companion new note to see how a literally physical activity can completely bring the core concepts of data security to life. It's just fascinating how tactile learning can decode these massive, complex ideas. So let's unpack exactly how this curriculum works.
Okay, let's dive into this. That sounds almost counterintuitive, right? I mean, in an age of invisible digital firewalls, biometrics, and incredibly complex computer algorithms, we're asking a surprisingly simple question. How do physical wheels actually unlock basic data security? Just picture it for a second. Holding a tangible, moving wheel right in your own hands and using it to crack open the exact same concepts that keep our entire digital world safe. It's a genuinely brilliant teaching mechanism. Let's see exactly how the curriculum sets this up.
Section 1, Lesson 9, Data Security. The sources introduce this lesson with a title that immediately grabs your attention, The Secret Code Ring. Honestly, I love this. It instantly transforms what could be a dry, standard curriculum module into an exciting, almost mysterious revelation. You know, it doesn't sound like a boring academic lecture at all. It sounds way more like an invitation to a secret society, which is absolutely perfect for capturing the imagination right out of the gate.
So the crucial point is, despite that playful title, the underlying objective here is incredibly foundational. This entire lesson is fundamentally designed to establish a rock-solid understanding of basic data encryption and security. It's really about stripping away that intimidating, complicated veil of computer code and just looking at the raw basic mechanics of how we hide and then reveal information.
Let's move to and see how this builds into Section 2, Cipher Wheel Cryptography, the tool.
Both the Cipher Wheel Cryptography Manual and the new note source text define the core activity exactly like this. Cipher Wheel Cryptography. It's an activity focused on creating physical decoder wheels to decrypt messages. Think about that for a second. This isn't about typing away on a keyboard or trying to write software. It's a completely hands-on activity. And that brilliantly grounds the learner in the physical, real-world reality of cryptography way before they ever have to wrap their heads around a digital network.
Now, what's really interesting about this is the exact 4 words used in the text, creating physical decoder wheels. The curriculum places a massive emphasis on the actual act of creation. The learner isn't just, handed a pre-made tool. Nope, they're tasked with building the security apparatus themselves. That tactile, physical experience of putting the wheel together piece by piece, that's the absolute critical first step in truly understanding how encryption works from the inside out.
Which brings us to Section 3, Decrypting the Message Cards, Hands-on Application.
The whole activity breaks down into 2 very logical steps. Step 1 is creating those physical decoder wheels. Imagine the actual feeling of aligning the inner and outer rings, really sensing the mechanics of the cipher clicking together right in your hands. Then, you immediately jump to Step 2, decrypting the encrypted message cards. You're taking a piece of paper filled with what looks like total gibberish. You turn the very wheel you just built, and you watch a perfectly readable message emerge, literally letter by letter. It's active, engaging learning at its absolute best. And this brilliantly illustrates the real magic of cryptography. On one hand, you have the encrypted message, totally chaotic, completely secure. But then, the decrypted state emerges, achieved entirely through that simple cipher wheel. It shows the direct, undeniable result of using a physical tool to bridge that massive gap between locked data and accessible, understandable information.
So, this brings our narrative completely full circle within the curriculum. We journey all the way from the very physical, hands-on act of turning those built wheels and decoding those specific message cards, straight back to the overarching theme of basic data security. By mastering the physical mechanics of a secret code ring, the foundational mental model for understanding all data security is securely and permanently laid down.
Which leaves us with this final, genuinely vital question to ponder based on our sources today. How does understanding basic physical encryption through a simple wheel actually shape our grasp of modern data security? It's a really powerful reminder that no matter how incredibly advanced or how invisible our digital technology gets, the fundamental principles of protecting information remain exactly the same as turning a dial on a secret ring. Thank you so much for joining me for this explainer. Keep turning those wheels of curiosity, and I'll catch you next time.